Hello and welcome to Listopia channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023, which are perfect for capturing your life and sharing it with the world. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, we have picked the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023 for you based on our research and information. You can find the links to each product in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. Number 5. GoPro Hero 11. The Hero 11 has a new 8:7 sensor that lets you capture more of the scene with higher image quality. You can shoot in 5.3K resolution and crop it later to fit any platform, like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. You can also use the new Hyperview lens to get a super wide angle that looks amazing. The Hero 11 has Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization with horizon lock. This means your footage will be smooth and steady no matter how much you move or shake the camera. You can even rotate the camera 360 degrees and the horizon will stay level. This is great for creative shots and transitions. The Hero 11 has a front screen that shows you what you're recording. You can easily frame yourself and see what's going on behind you. You can also use voice control to start and stop recording, change modes, and more. The Hero 11 also has 3 microphones that capture clear and crisp audio. Overall, the GoPro Hero 11 is an amazing action camera that lets you vlog like a pro. It has everything you need to capture your adventures and share them with the world. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful camera, you should definitely check out the Hero 11. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZVe E10. The Sony Alpha ZVe E10 is a new vlogging camera with an interchangeable lens and an APS-C sensor. This camera is designed for creators who want to make high-quality videos with a compact and easy-to-use device. The ZVe E10 has a fully articulating screen, a 3-capsule directional microphone, and a bokeh switch button. It can record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and Full HD video at up to 120 frames per second. It also has a fast and accurate autofocus system with real-time IAF for humans and animals. Another cool feature is the product showcase mode, which lets you show off objects or products in front of the camera. The ZVe E10 is compatible with Sony's E-mount lenses, which give you a lot of options to choose from. It's also a capable stills camera with a 24MP sensor and various creative modes and effects. So what do we think of the Sony Alpha ZVe E10? We think it's a versatile vlogging workhorse that offers a lot of features and flexibility for content creation. It's compact, user-friendly, and delivers excellent video and audio quality. It also has some limitations, such as no viewfinder, no flash, no in-body image stabilization, and no 4K/60p video mode. Number 3. Fujifilm X-S10. The Fujifilm X-S10 is a compact and lightweight camera that has a 26MP X-trans sensor and a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system. This means you can get sharp and detailed images and videos even in low light or when shooting handheld. The camera also has a fast and accurate autofocus system that can track your face and eye even when you move around. One of the best features of the X-S10 for vlogging is the fully articulating touchscreen. You can flip it out to the side and rotate it 180 degrees to see yourself while recording. The screen is responsive and easy to use, and you can also adjust the settings and focus with a touch. The camera also has a microphone input and a headphone output, so you can monitor your audio quality and use an external mic for better sound. The X-S10 can record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, or Full HD video at up to 240 frames per second for slow motion effects. You can also use the Fujifilm's film simulation modes to give your videos different looks and moods, such as cinematic, vintage, or monochrome. The video quality is excellent, with rich colors, high dynamic range, and smooth stabilization. In conclusion, the Fujifilm X-S10 is a versatile and powerful camera that can handle both vlogging and photography with ease. It has a lot of features and functions that make it fun and easy to use, and it delivers high-quality results in any situation. Number 2. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 has a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and a 24 to 70 mm equivalent lens with a fast aperture of f/1.8-2.8. This means you can get some nice background blur and low-light performance in your videos. The autofocus system is also amazing, with real-time tracking NI-AF that can keep you in focus even when you move around or change your expression. One of the best things about the ZV-1 is the fully articulating touchscreen display that flips out to the side. This makes it easy to frame yourself and see what you're recording. You can also touch the screen to adjust settings or switch between modes. There's also a dedicated record button and AC1 button that lets you toggle between different background defocus levels. The ZV-1 also has some great audio features, such as a directional 3-capsule microphone that can capture your voice clearly and reduce ambient noise. It also comes with a windscreen that you can attach to the hot shoe to block out wind noise when you're outdoors. And if you want to use an external microphone, there's a 3.5mm mic jack on the side. The ZV-1 can shoot in 4K up to 30 frames per second and Full HD up to 120 frames per second. You can also use some creative modes like slow motion, time-lapse and interval shooting. The video quality is very good, with sharp details, vibrant colors and smooth motion. The only downside is that the stabilization is not very strong, so you might want to use a tripod or a gimbal if you're walking or moving a lot. Overall, we think the Sony ZV-1 is a great camera for vlogging. It's compact, easy to use and has everything you need to make high-quality videos. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX GH6. The GH6 has a new 25.2 megapixel sensor that can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second in 10-bit 4:2:2 color. That means you get stunning image quality with rich colors and details. You can also shoot slow-motion video at up to 120 frames per second in 4K, or up to 240 frames per second in Full HD. That's great for adding some drama and creativity to your vlogs. The GH6 has a tilt and articulating screen that lets you see yourself while you're filming. You can also use the touch screen to adjust settings, focus, and zoom. The screen is bright and sharp, and it has an anti-reflective coating to reduce glare. The GH6 has a built-in fan that allows you to record unlimited video without overheating. That means you don't have to worry about stopping and starting your recording, or losing any footage. You can also record directly to an external SSD via USB-C, or output 4K video via HDMI. The GH6 has a powerful image stabilization system that combines the sensor and the lens to give you up to 7.5 stops of shake reduction. That means you can shoot handheld without any blur or jitter, even in low light or with long lenses. So, as you can see, the Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is a fantastic camera for vlogging. It has everything you need to capture high-quality video with ease and flexibility. If you're looking for a small camera with huge creative potential, you should definitely check out the GH6. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.